Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week. This week I have $436 that I'm going to be able to put into my wallet, my cash envelopes, and savings challenges. So I'm going to first start off in my wallet, which I already figured that amount, like the denominations for that, because it's what I usually put in here. So my wallet this week's getting a total of $170. So spending gets 30, eating out gets 30, groceries gets 80, coffee gets 20 this week, and then buffer gets 10. So that's a total of $170. And that'll be my wallet, my weekly wallet spending for the week. So $170. And then we'll see how much I have left over at the end, how much I didn't spend, because that's always a fun thing to see. Okay, so I'm only left with $266. I don't have as much to stuff, but I'm going to try to stuff every single envelope. I actually have some savings challenges, which I'm going to first start off in first, because I have one where I have to roll the dice. So let's see. Let's get this one out of the way, because this one could be a low amount, but it also could get, I could get a lot of rolls, and I could get maybe a lot of mushrooms or little diamonds, so we'll see. But let me see how many times I will be rolling. So 3. Okay, 3 is a good amount. All right, so let me roll the first one. So that's 2 and 2. So that is a star. Oh, I forgot my little sticky note. Oh no, where are my sticky notes? Okay, I need a little sticky note to write on. Okay, so I got a little sticky note, and I'm gonna write 1 here. Okay, second roll is a 4 and a 2. Okay, that's another 1. Last roll, 1 and 6. Okay, so it's just basically $3 going into that challenge, which I think for this week, that's a decent amount to be put in here. It doesn't take up too much of my money, but I get a little bit of that something in there. So I'm gonna put power up here. That is 3. Oops, 3. All right, so I'm left with $263 now, and I'm gonna come back to this binder once I do all of these. Okay, so now into the black binder. I'm actually going to focus on 3 envelopes first. I like to prioritize emergency, extra savings, and then my treat yourself envelope, which I actually just unstuffed a lot of my savings challenges, and I was able to put a decent amount into my emergency fund and also my treat yourself envelope. So that was exciting. That video might come later today, because yeah, I'm a little behind on filming, but as you can see, I'm very stuffed here in this envelope, and I need to actually put a placeholder in here soon. So that'll be happening soon. But for now, I'm just gonna add in here into the emergency. This week, I'm going to do 20. I think $20 is a good amount. And then extra savings will get 20 as well. And then so will treat yourself, which is not in this binder. It's actually in my pink binder. But this one is full too. And I actually need to put a placeholder in here. So I'll be unstuffing and putting placeholders in treat yourself, and then also in emergency. Emergency will get a placeholder this week once I get to that. So I'm left with $203 now. All right, so auto repair. I'm gonna put 15. Okay, electronics will get 10. Emergency's done, extra savings done. Furniture, I'm gonna put 10 in here. Rainy day will get 5. Registration's already fully funded. Road trip, 10. Scentsy will get 5. Subscriptions will get 5. And travel will get this week I'm just gonna put 5. Okay, so 5's my like go-to number for if I just want to get something in there, a little bit of something in there for the week, but not a huge priority. Okay, beauty. I do want to buy some things for beauty, so I think I want to put 10. I have a decent amount. I have a D7, but you know, beauty stuff is expensive, so I might be able to buy one thing. Clothing, we'll get, I have nothing in clothing. 10. Content, 5. Costco will get 5, and also whatever leftover grocery money I have. Family will get 5. Gifts will get 5. Home, 5. Household, I just bought a bunch of household things, so I really don't need too much in here, like all my big household purchases. It's like paper towels, toilet paper, that kind of stuff, so 5 will be good in there, just to buy like small little things. Target will get 5. Okay, so I'm left with 83, and I still have a few envelopes, and then I have all of my savings challenges still. Okay, so Go Wild this week. I have 1,000. You know, I've been really good on this one, so I'm just gonna put 5 in here. Disneyland. I don't have any plans to go to Disney soon, but I think I want to put. I'm just gonna put 5 in here. Christmas. We'll get 5. I've just been putting a little extra in here. Holiday decor will get 5, even though I want to put more money in there because there's been a lot of cute holiday decor that I've been seeing now that they're putting all the Christmas stuff. Fun will get 5. Treat yourself's already done, and hobbies will get 5. Okay, because I'm left with 53, and I still have a few savings challenges. Okay, these are going to get low amounts. Okay. So I think this might get 5 too. Do I have 5? Oh, I do have 5. Okay, so this will get 5. But usually what happens is I will end up having extra money left over in my wallet, and then I'll bump up that 5 that I'm planning on putting in. It'll get bumped up to a different amount. So 100 envelope, 5. Lots of 5s. Okay, let me go into the savings binder. All right, and then I have this 52 circle one. Let's see, 52 circle. We'll get, I'm gonna put 2. Okay, that leaves me with 46. For the November savings challenge, I'm making this a $10 challenge, so this one will get 20. And then this is a $5 challenge, so this one will get 15. I'm left with 11. You know what? I kind of want I think I want to put a 5 somewhere else. I think in beauty, because like I said, I wanted to buy some beauty stuff. I know I need to buy like some moisturizer with like a sunscreen, and I wanted to get maybe something else. So also nail stuff. So I'm going to make this one 15. And then I'll just put that 6 into my dollar challenge. And that should be the full 463. Okay. But I'm going to double check, make sure that it really is 463 by counting all of these numbers, and then just making sure, double checking that I really do have this all correct before I move on to the next part. So looking good, it is 436, so I'm going to now figure out the denominations. So auto repair is 15, so that's a 10 and a 5. Electronics is 10, emergency is 20, extra savings is 20, furniture 10, rainy day is 5, road trip is 10, Scentsy is 5, subscriptions is 5, travel is 5, beauty is 15, so that's 10 and a 5, clothing is 10, and then I have a ton of 5s here, so I'm just gonna, where does it start? Here to here is just gonna be 1 or 5s, a ton of 5s. Okay, and then 20, another 5, 3 for the power up, 100 envelope is 5, then I have 2 for 52 circles, 20, but I want to do 2 10s. 15, that's 3 5s, and then 6 1s. All right, so now I'm going to count the tallies. So I have 150, and then 20s, 24, or sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 20s, 10s, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 5s, I have 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 5s. And then for 1s, I have 6 11 12 13 14 15 16. All right, so next I'm going to multiply these to see how much I should have. Everything should total 436. So 50s, I have 1, so that's 50. 20s, I have 6, so that's 120. 10s, I have 13, that's 130. 24 5s, which is 120, I believe. Yeah, 120, and then 16. All right, so let me count all of these totals. 50, 120, 130, 120, and 16. 436, perfect. All right, I'm gonna grab another sticky note. Oh no, I'm running out of these sticky notes. Okay. So now I'm just going to write, this is the little sticky note I give to the teller. So 50s times 1 is $50. And then 20 times 6 is 120. 10 times 13 is 130. 5 times 24 is 120. And then 1 times 16 is $16. And that is a total of 436. All right, so that is what I'm going to take with me to the bank. I just put this in my wallet so I don't forget it. And that's about it. All right, so that is my cash plan for the week. Thank you so much for joining as I figured out how all this money was going into all of my envelopes. Yeah, gonna grab lots and have lots of 5s to count. But at least every envelope is getting something, so happy to see that. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.